Hello everyone and welcome back to Silly Crafting. Thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I'll be showing you how I use Cricut Design Space to layer my images so I can cut out and make my layered vinyl. So we start off by just going into Google and I'll be typing in Pokemon coloring pages. Coloring pages are your keywords. It has nice images that are usually by themselves and they have nice thick borders. This one here, you can see the border is too thin. That will not work. We're looking for something thicker, more like this would be perfect to do on the Cricut if we wanted to. Today I'll be showing you how to do Pikachu. This Pikachu is really cute. I think I'll go with this one. So once you pick out your image, just save it to your computer. I already have mine saved, so I'm not going to save it again, but just save it to your computer. And then head over to Cricut Design Space. Now we head over to Upload and we will begin by uploading our image, which is right here. I always like to use complex, it's just easier for me, but I'm just going to remove the background. I like to preview, and as you can see, it's not the best lines. Quick hack, just go back and undo your work, head over to advanced options, and move the color tolerance up. I'm just going to do 40 and see if that works. Oh, perfect. Sometimes you need more, sometimes you need less, just play around with that. But now I'm just going to be deleting everything that I don't need. And I'm going to zoom out and preview real quick. Looks good. Gonna continue and save your image as a cut image. Next we're going to upload. Next we're inserting our image and I don't need it to be that big. This size will do right here. Okay. So I like to start off by just duplicating, going to contour, and hide all. Once you hide all, you're hiding everything except the background. So I want a nice background to start with. And as you can see, we only have the background. If we look over to this image, we can see that right here, it's supposed to be cut out. All we have to do is to go back to that image. Head over to contour and we can just move our mouse over and see how they get darker. We could just do that, and once that triangle is highlighted, we click, and once we exit out, you can see it's hollow now. Great. So next I'm gonna move to do the body. I'm just gonna duplicate again and I'm going to go into contour. And this time I'm just gonna remove the background because I don't need the background anymore. And I want the eyes to be cut out from the body. And we're not gonna need the cheeks. Sometimes it's hard to see, and if you want to, feel free to just use the side over here. And that's the body, that's the tail. We're gonna want the tail. We don't want the mouth. We don't want the cheeks. Okay, looking a lot better. Now I'm just gonna change it to yellow. Okay, I see the eyes, the nose, and the cheeks, but you know what? I still don't have the mouth. I'm gonna contour one more time. That should do it. Yay, looks about right. We can always go back and make more changes. Okay, let's move on to the mouth. And I think the mouth and the cheeks are both red, so I'm gonna do those together. I'm just gonna go in, hide everything, and I just want the cheeks and the mouth, and don't forget about that little tiny piece right here, and remove the background. I think that should be it for the red, something like this, and we're going to change it to red and move it right over. And next it looks like we just have the eyeballs to do, so I'm just going to take the image here because I don't need it anymore. I'm going to contour, hide everything except the eyeballs. And now we're left with those little black dots. We're going to turn them to white and send to front so I could see them. And now we're going to move them right over like that. And now to move your image around and change the size, just make sure that you select everything, and you can make it as big as you want or as small as you want. It's all layered for you now. And the more colors your images has, the more layers you're gonna have to do. This one has 4, so you'll have 4 different cuts. You'll have black vinyl, yellow vinyl, red vinyl, and white vinyl. When you go over to make it, everything's going to be separated for you. So this is showing you it wants a white mat. For mat 2 it's going to be black. For mat 3 it's going to be red. And for mat 4 it's going to be yellow. And I always use the images to reference how much vinyl I'm going to need. So here I'm going to need like a 4.75 by a 5 piece of vinyl for the yellow. Of course, sometimes Pikachu's mouth looks a little bit more pink, so if you want to do the inside of the mouth pink, all you have to do is just create another layer. So duplicate one more time, and I'm going to contour. Let's take out the mouth first. So these will be the cheeks, and now this, I'm going to contour the cheeks out this time. And that will be the mouth. Now it's separate and we can make the mouth pink. And all this means is that you're just gonna have 5 layers of vinyl instead of 4. But it's your preference, whatever works for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. It was just something I wanted to share with you guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please also head over to my Instagram, sillycrafting_, for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And just thank you so much.